Some of you that watched my walkthrough may remember this big philodendron that was in the corner. This one had been here for 3 years. Never had a problem, and frost killed it back. So I've been assured by a couple people it will come back. And that's the first shoot that I'm seeing coming back off of it. Oh, wait a minute. There's another one out there. Let's look over here and see if we see anything. Not on these yet, but it is coming back over there. I was kind of worried about that. Let's walk over here and look. I planted some more last year here, and it killed them too. Yeah, it's coming back too. 2 spots. So you see that. Philodendron, outdoors, Florida Zone 8B. There's another one. Get you a better angle there. That's coming back. 2 spots. So I'm kind of happy about that. I was worried they weren't going to come back. Monstera, Philodendron. Now these, apparently, I have 2 of these. I believe it's Zandu, or I believe that's what it was called. I planted these last year. Cold didn't seem to affect it. And you can see it's right here. So my point in showing you this is we'll watch and see how well they come back after the cold damage. About a month or so, we'll look at them again and see what they look like.